Well, we got it in the air. Everything's torn down.
Zach says penis.
Uh-huh. Yep. Got the new wheels and tires, beefed up.
Penis. New penis.
Yeah, that's my mechanic.
Well, penis.
Brightest of them all. Got everything torn down.
3 months. Before we touch it.
It's the block full of caked up with oil.
All of that to get beat by V6 tomorrow.
Everything's looking good. I don't know where my ported parts are at though. Well, that's it. Dude, what are you talking about?
Car's slow.
Your car's slow. Your truck's slow. You got a hole in the side of the bed.
That's okay. That's for my bird.
Dude, I swear to God, if you say fucking bird. What are we working on here?
Junk.
Some junk. All right. Sweet. So got some junk here. Got some junk here.
Junk everywhere. We got
Junk
a junk Saturn
everywhere.
outside.
Junk Saturn. Let's go check out the LS swapped Saturn. All right, we got Matt's LS swapped Saturn. He just blew the head gaskets in it. He decided to do some pulls in it because he wanted to, and he said it was gonna have fun. But in all reality, he did blow a head gasket, and he had no coolant or no radiator. I don't know. But yeah, LS swapped Saturn, no hood. Man, this thing is more junk than my shit. What the hell? But yeah, that's his LS swapped Saturn. Cool shit. If it's ever gonna be done, who knows? So got the block torn apart pretty much. As you can see, the pistons were pretty friggin' caked up. Definitely bad, but you know, we're gonna fix that with some piston rings. I don't really know what all this stuff is. I just looking at a bunch of shit. So
Nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts. Yep.
That's all it is.
Can I push the piston down?
You could try.
Oh, Lord. Alright, so unbox this cam. See what they're all about. Be very careful because I am clumsy. Knife. Move very slowly. Be careful. Jeez. I'm sorry. What? Is bad or good?
I just want to show you. A regular 1080 screen.
It's a lot more beefed up. Nice. Oh, man, sure they pack it right. Bro. This shouldn't be this hard. Shout out to the packaging freaking people. Alright. So it's all greased up and caked up, so I'm not gonna really. It's a regrind. A little nervous about that. It looks like it has some oil on it. Don't even know if it comes with warranty. But it definitely looks a lot more choppy. I really don't know what I'm looking at, but I'm looking at something. Pretty cool, I guess. Got the lobes. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, stage 3 cam. I don't really know what the original one looked like because I kind of sent it off right away. I didn't really look at them. But they said, Monkey Wrench Racing, I don't know if you're watching this, I'm sorry if you are. But I really doubt you couldn't have given me my money back for the parts I sent back. Because I'm pretty sure my cam was fine. You just didn't want to be nice to me, I guess. But yeah, that's the cam. Not too exciting. I don't really care about what it looks like. I just kind of want to hear what it looks like. If that makes any sense at all. Yeah.